Saturday morning, so we're just ready to go to Beaulieu, back to the Autojumble. We're unloading what we got yesterday. I'll just turn this round. There you go. Bat. Thomas the tank. Everybody needs a one. Well, there, Tyler. Fuel lamps.
Yep.
Fuel lamps for old. Bring out your dead.
No,
Have you heard that one? Fuel lamps for old. Bring out your dead.
These ones aren't lamps.
No, they're. I think they're little models. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, van's slowly getting packed up there. So, like I say, we're at the Huntsman of Brockenhurst. Great little pub, run by Anne and Charlie. We'll go and for our breakfast, and then we're going up to the showground, and hopefully we'll find some bits and bobs. What do you think?
Definitely.
Mandy,
yes.
Good day today, Kelly?
Excellent day today.
Yeah.
Yeah, good finds.
Good finds?
Yeah, find some good stuff.
You doing out with your metal detector, like? So this is what happens when you're en route to the Beaulieu Autojumble in the New Forest. You get a roadblock with some horses. For those of you who don't know the place, it's always wild ponies and horses and pigs and sheep. Mainly horses and donkeys. And that's what makes the New Forest special, really. So this is day 2, like I say. We've just had our breakfast at the Huntsman and we're heading to the Autojumble. I hope this Autojumble continues for future generations, but there's a lot of older people and some of the stuff that they bring just doesn't command, you know, the enthusiasm anymore for collectors' cars. Yes, there's some really rare stuff that I could probably look for and use, but my generation, the generation who are into Cosworths and RS2000s and Opel Manta GTEs and, you know, 911 Porsches, you know, nobody's bringing Cosworth engines, nobody's bringing, you know, Type 9 gearboxes, nobody's bringing that sort of stuff. It's all Austin 7, Morris 8, do you know what I mean? All pre-war stuff. So there could be a point where it dwindles down, but like I say, I hope not. Never get sick of this journey, like I said yesterday, just coming over the heath at Beaulieu, from Brockenhurst to Beaulieu, all the heather this time of the year. It's just beautiful, peaceful. And we haven't seen one car all the way through here, but I'm sure when we get here there's going to be a lot of cars. I'm pretty excited today because I want to go to the Bonhams Auction today. There's a couple of pieces that I might buy today, price dependent. And like I say, the Beaulieu sale, it's always a good enthusiast sale. So there's always, you know, an eclectic mix of cars. You know, not just your bog standard cars you'd expect in an auction, like an MGB and a Morris 1000. Do you know what I mean? An RS2000, the Ford Cortina. There's, you know, there's cars that you'll see at Beaulieu Autojumble, Bonhams Auction, you will not see in another auction in the UK. And that's a fact. So, you know, let's see what we get. Where else would you see cows mowing the lawn? Beaulieu, and free fertiliser, cut the grass and then fertilise it. They also do your hedges as well. Even baby donkeys have a go at it. This is Beaulieu. This is the little village of Beaulieu we're coming down now. There's the lake, saltwater lake. It's tidal. Beaulieu garage to your right, classic car garage. Obviously has one or two nice bits and pieces in. Coming into the village now, we've got one of my favourite hotels in the whole world, the Montague Arms. It's basically just a country house hotel, but it's not. I wouldn't say it was the most luxurious hotel in the world, but for me, it rings my bell. I love it. It's just relaxing. And to your left now, we've got the Abbey, Beaulieu Abbey. And we've also got a roadblock in front of us, so I'm going to show you how many cars are trying to get in and out of here. There we go. So it's busy this morning. Looks like it's really busy actually. We're just going to pull on the show field and take it from there. Some nice little cars there, little kids' cars. Look like they've come up a fairground ride. Yeah, there's MGB shell. Yeah, and loads of MG bits. Yeah, busy day down here this morning. A few clouds in the sky, but I think it's going to get out nice. I'm going to have a wander around, see what's kicking about. Again, I haven't bought too much, but I never really do with Beaulieu. It's more, well, it's more meeting people, I suppose, isn't it? Seeing what people have bought. I get more excited about seeing what other people have bought, to be honest. Yeah, so I'm going to make my way down to the auction now. There's only a couple of things I want to bid on, and we'll see how we get on.
We wish you all a very successful day here at Bonhams, and more importantly, the whole weekend while you're here at Beaulieu. Hope you find the bit interesting.
This is what I'm looking for.
Lot 357, thank you. Lucas CAV Rotex battery service, hanging sign. We're showing the good side, the other side has some damage, but it's held in place. Reserved, if you like, with an additional sheet of glass. There it is, what shall we say? Interest here already at 120, 150 I'm bid at 150, 180. 180 I bid now, 180 standing bidder, at 180, at 180. 480 I bid, 480, 500. I'll take bids from anywhere, but it's here at 500, 550, 600, and 50, 700. And 50, 800, and 50, 900, and 50, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800, 1,900, 2,000, 2,200, 2,500, 'They're out. 2,500, there's the offer in the room. Was there another bidder anywhere else? And you should smile because you're on candid camera. At 2,500, was there another anywhere else? 2,800.
Oh, God.
3,000. I'm going to have to sell now. Gentleman in the room at 3,000. We've already broken his heart once. At 3,000 against the aggregator. Going, gone, 3,000. There we have it. Thank you very much. 702.
Well, I'm in the Bonhams tent and I'm just picking up what I've just won, and that's it. That's what I came for. Lot number 357, the Lucas Rotex Lightbox. It was the only thing I wanted in the sale, and I got it. Yeah, I had to pay for it, but I've got it. Yeah, so there you go. We're on moving the Lightbox back to the car, and got me three little helpers here. And my son Patrick always wishes I collected stamps instead of the stuff I do collect, but there you go. How good was that, talking to Sammy Miller, the legend, eh? Still riding motorbikes. What a legend that man is. It's called Delegation, my friend.
Welcome to Bonhams, here for our beauty sale. Team here at Bonhams have got a long and proud tradition of holding motoring auctions here at Beaulieu over many decades. We're very grateful to our host, Lord Montague, and of course his team at the Beaulieu International Autojumble, especially Charlotte Mountain and Rachel Goldstraw, for all of their help. A few parish notices before we kick off. My name is Richard Stanford. It's my great pleasure to be your auctioneer for the first 25 lots or so of this sale before I hand over to my colleague Malcolm Barber. Thank you for attending in person. Good to see you, and hello to you joining us online around the world on Bonhams.com. Austin Meister 700 City Van, resplendent here in the Patrick Motors livery. Make a fantastic race support vehicle, a little bit of recommissioning required, but a very rewarding project. And again, where shall we open the bidding? I have got 800, 900, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800, 2,000, 2,2, 2,5, 2,8, 2,8 here. 3,000, took ahead of you, 3,2, 3,2, at the back. 4,000 on the arm, 4,000, 4,2, 4,2, 4,5, 4,8, 5,000, 5,5. Would 5,8 help? 5,8. 6,000. 6,000. Stood at the back by the rope at 6,000. 6,5. 6,5. On my left, in the rope at 6,500 pounds. Any further bids? The gavel's up, and I will sell at 6,500 pounds. Last call. Fair warning. Your car, sir. 6,500, pedal 880. And again, perfect for race support. 3 or 4 van. Goods carrying version of the twin freedom design 3 or 4 saloon. Very popular in the period. Recommission required, and once again, I have interest here with me at 1,100, 1,200, 1,300. Here with me at 1,300. 1,400, 1,500. 1,600, 1,700, 1,800, 1,900. 2,000, 2,2. 2,5, 2,8. 3,000. Beats the instruction. 3,000. Seated at back. 3,000 pounds. 3,2 online. Internet bid now on Bonhams.com. 3,200 pounds. Be quite sure, sir. Sure about that. 3,200 pounds. 3,500. On my left. 3,500. What do we think on Bonhams.com? 3,800. 4,000. 4,000. Not yours yet. 4,000 pounds. 4,2. 4,500. 4,800. 5,000. 5,500. 5,500 in the room. Rather than just walking away. Universal sign language there. Would 5,800 help you, sir, before you get too far away? No? 5,500 here in the room. Online, now's your chance if you wish to come back at 5,500 pounds. Any further bids, or I will sell at 5,500 pounds. The gavel's up. Fair warning at 5,500. 5,500 and the paddle 702. Foundation here, Bedford, Astrovan. Where shall we open? We'll open it at 500. Bid me 500 to open. 500, straight in at 500 pounds. That all the way? That's 500 pounds. 5,500. 550 pounds out the back. At 550, 600 online. 650. 650 at the back. 700. 750. 800 and 50. 900 and 50. 1,000. 1,100. 1,200. 1,300. 1,400. 1,500. 1,600. 1,700. 1,800. 1,900. 2,000. 2,2. 2,2 stood at the back. Where was my bid over there? Do you want to come back in? We're 2,2 at the back of the room. 2,200 pounds. 25, 28, 3000, 32, 32 stood at the back, stood by the road at £3,200. You want to come back, or I will sell to my standing bidder at £3,200. Fair warning, elsewhere in the room, £3,200, the gavel's up, and it's selling 3,200 at number 884. Thank you.
That was an exciting afternoon. What did we buy? Well, one thing I really wanted was the Peugeot van, which I bought, and the other two possibly impulse buys. The Mini I looked at, but I never looked at the bubble car, which I've already got one in kit form actually. Well, I'll just bring the camera around and show you what I bought. Yeah, so there's the little 307 van we bought, and we'll take that on the recovery truck on Monday. Horse tractor, we've got one of them in the yard, just walking around. Funny sale really, some bargains. We bought this sort of thing, this British Auto Mini. What a tidy little thing. Nice little car. Been underneath it and we've had a look. All the subframes are okay, so that'll be just come out because it's red hot in there, and I'll film it probably tomorrow. The little red Heinkel Trojan bubble car. Yeah, look at the sky. Oh, it's hot today. Yeah, it's a little day on out of the museum. Well, camera over there, and we've got a collection of Morgans. Oh my god, the most pretentious car owners in the world. Sorry Morgan owners, but it has to be said. And these are the cars for sale. And I wonder if anybody sold any. Possibly not. Yeah, that looks nice. Looks really nice actually. Yeah, I do like that. MJ, I think. Yeah, nice car that. Time for a beer. Well, where do you see a Sherpa camper? You see one at Beaulieu, and look at that. Honestly, I can't remember the last time I saw one. Fantastic. Anyway, we're off now. We're finished for today. It's Saturday, 5 o'clock, and we're heading back to the Huntsman pub, and we're off to probably one of the best Italians. Well, in my opinion, it is the best Italian in the New Forest, La Pergola. And I have the same thing every time I come. I'm such a creature of habit. Anyway, sun shining, nice and warm, great day. Bought some cars, bought some signs, bought the Lightbox that I came for. So happy days, happy Beaulieu.